What is ClickFunnels, and might it help scale my business? The short answer is that ClickFunnels can absolutely help you. But why does one need a sales funnel strategy? Well, let's get straight to the purpose. Running a business isn't any easy task. If you're going it alone, you'll understand how to code, design, market and manage to call some skills. That's if you're not paying out for multiple marketing tools to try to do it for you. Even if you've got a bulletproof business plan and are confident it'll cause you to money within the future, you'll easily get caught up with the workload required to bring everything together. That's where ClickFunnels comes in handy. It allows you to make out landing pages, monitor them and set up email responders. As you'll soon know, every business needs a funnel. But is ClickFunnels the simplest platform to manage your marketing? Let's understand. What is ClickFunnels? ClickFunnels is about automating the whole sales process, providing you with the facility to manage every stage of the buying journey. The ClickFunnels software is primarily designed to provide online businesses with a complete sales funnel. It's an easy, hassle-free alternative to ranking your website within the search results. It makes collecting leads and securing sales super simple. Of course, there's more to the current software than meets the attention. So, let's dig deeper into why ClickFunnels is the perfect solution for any business looking to require control of their marketing. What are sales funnels? Basically, a sales funnel is an all-in-one solution to your online marketing. Think of a website with many pages, posts and actions to require. It's so complicated that individuals don't get around to creating an acquisition. They leave in an exceedingly state of confusion. In contrast, a sales funnel has one page, one offer and one opportunity to require action. For this reason, you tend to seek out that conversion rates on landing pages are significantly higher. Depending on the action people take, after they hit your landing page, they're going to be entered into a sequence of selling messages. If they leave without making a procurement, you'll be able to retarget them with a downsale. Don't consider this to be a failure, though. Not everyone who visits your page goes to convert into a customer. Admittedly, that's the last word dream, but that sort of conversion rate is unprecedented. Leading people into your funnel, you should never surrender on an opening, as they will not be able to purchase at that moment in time. Be considerate of your audience and their needs before you create your next move. All future marketing messages must be carefully considered. This way, you're more likely to make trust with potential buyers and secure a buying deal down the road. Brands that push for a purchase ahead of time are often those that come away empty-handed. Give some thought to the last time you entered a store, only to be confronted with a pushy sales assistant. They wouldn't leave you be, irrespective of what percentage times you insisted that you simply were just browsing. We're willing to bet you walked away. If so, we don't blame you. It's really off-putting. Instead, give your customers the space to browse and help once they need your assistance. Honestly, it's the simplest possible sales strategy and is one that may be easily applied to your funnel. If a possibility doesn't convert, ask yourself why. If you've targeted a high-priced item at small business owners, they will not have the dollar. That's a case of poor advertising. Perhaps you'll be able to salvage things by offering them an item at a lower cost point. Or bundle together multiple items to extend the perceived value. The prices of production are going to be low if you decide on the correct items, but people are likely to buy because it looks exciting and different to anything they have seen before. How ClickFunnels helps business owners. Creating a sales funnel will be a difficult process that needs deep pockets to make it come to life. ClickFunnels makes the process much easier. Everything is managed through one platform. No longer are multiple marketing tools required to manage every stage of the customer journey. You'll be able to design landing pages and monitor their performance, in addition as founded retargeting messages, all using ClickFunnels. Here are a listing of tools and materials at your disposal: website hosting, landing page design, A/B testing, email autoresponder, affiliate management, integrated payment systems, PayPal and Stripe, training materials, ongoing support, multi-million-dollar templates. If you'd like a closer observe the marketing tool, head on over to our ClickFunnels review. But within the meantime, get yourself signed up for the free trial. Links in the description. Funnel templates. ClickFunnels makes creating complex funnels super simple. There are 26 and counting funnel templates to settle on from, all tested and proven to deliver a high conversion rate. Whether you're looking to capture data or sell a bundle of products employing a tripwire funnel or product launch funnel, you'll find them in ClickFunnels. Once you decide on a funnel type, you may get access to a database of both free and paid funnels. You'll be able to preview, test them out, and make edits before adding your chosen funnels to your list. We'd recommend having a decent peruse round the platform before paying out for a funnel. There are numerous resources, YouTube videos, ebooks, guides, quizzes, etc. that offer you access to professional funnels totally free. Funnel Editor. Once you have got selected your chosen funnel, you will be directed to the Funnel Editor, where you will see all of your pages within the left side panel. To create an edit, click the page, and you'll notice a template appear to the proper. From here, you'll be able to customize your chosen template to suit the wants of your campaign. Get creative along with your designs using product images to draw the attention and gripping call to actions. While Clickfunnels templates are designed to make you money, they only act as a guide to get you started. Don't allow them to hold you back if you've got an eye for design, but keep in mind the tip gold and also the needs of your audience. The editor itself is easy to navigate. It uses a tangle and drop editor, like the likes of WordPress, to insert columns, elements, videos, images, text, code blocks, pricing tables, social links, etc., and make style changes. Similarly, you'll customize all pages in your funnel and flick between them quickly to make sure you maintain the identical style and tone of voice. Want to maneuver one page before of another? The editor allows you to pull pages into your order of preference. The most effective order, proven to make trust along with your audience, is squeeze page, exchange of knowledge for a free resource, sales page, a bundle of products and/or services, and auto page, one-time offer running for a limited time only. You'll obviously want to tie your funnel into a payment gateway and email service provider. You'll be able to integrate this effectively using the Funnel Builder editor. One handy thing about the Funnel Editor is that the launch checklist, which provides you a breakdown on everything you ought to complete before hitting live on your funnels. Sales analytics, and, of course, once you've finished the planning of your funnel and commenced driving traffic, tracking becomes a requirement. You will have access to analytics tools to assist you monitor the performance of your landing pages. You wish to understand if the time and money spent on your campaigns is basically worth it. Basically, are you seeing a return on investment? Through monitoring your marketing, you'll be able to make important changes to your strategies supported your findings. I hope this helped answer your question, what are Clickfunnels, and what is Clickfunnels and the way can it help my business? Thank you for watching the video. Look at the description box to find links that will benefit you. Do not forget to like and subscribe.